Hello everyone and welcome. I am Andrei Jura, a developer relations engineer at MultiversX. This tutorial will cover Ollama with hands-on insights to get building fast. If you ever wanted to run powerful AI models like ChatGPT on your computer, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore how Ollama makes this possible, and I'll walk you through everything from installation to practical usage. But first, what is Ollama? Ollama is a groundbreaking tool that brings the power of large language models to your personal computer. It is designed to run sophisticated AI models efficiently with minimal resources, provide a simple command line interface, support multiple open source models like Llama 2, CodeLlama, and DeepSeek R1. Finally, it can handle both general text generation and specialized tasks like coding. Large language models are AI systems trained on vast amount of text data. Running them locally through Ollama offers several crucial advantages, like privacy benefits. All data stays on your machine. No cloud service can access your conversations. Perfect for sensitive business or personal information. Practical benefits. Works offline. No internet needed. Zero latency, so you'll get faster responses. No usage limits or API costs, and complete control over model parameters. To get started with Ollama, follow these steps. Visit ollama.com to download the installer for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions for your platform, Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once installed, let's verify our installation. We will open a terminal window and we will check the Ollama version. If Ollama is installed correctly, it will display the installed version. Ollama supports various AI models and you can easily download and run them. In this tutorial, we will use DeepSeek R1 7B. We choose models from Ollama website, and from the list we will choose DeepSeek R1. We scroll down and we select the Ollama run DeepSeek R1 7B command. We go back to our terminal window and run the command. This will download the model and also start an interactive session. By following these steps, you can successfully set up and use Ollama for running AI models on your local machine. Once inside the interactive session, let's ask DeepSeek 3 interesting facts about space. This will generate a response with scientifically accurate and engaging facts about space. The DeepSeek R1 model is designed to employ reasoning and logical inference to reach conclusions. Unlike simple text generation models, it processes inputs by analyzing context, making deductions, and structuring coherent responses. This makes it useful for complex problem solving and detailed explanations. While the terminal allows direct interaction with the model, it is not the most user-friendly experience. Some key limitations include lack of formatting. The terminal output is plain text, making it harder to navigate longer responses. Limited interaction. There is no easy way to save, edit, or revisit previous prompts and responses. And there are no UI enhancements. Features like text input history, copy-paste support, and response organizations are minimal. For a more interactive and structured experience, a web-based UI like Open-WebUI provides a significantly improved way to interact with AI models. It offers a graphical interface, better response management, and additional customization options. To enhance your experience, you can use Open-WebUI, a web-based interface that improves interaction with AI models. First, we will need to check if Docker is installed by running the following command. If it is, we can see the Docker version here. If Docker is not installed, you can download it and install it from the docker.com official web page. You can install Docker for Mac, Windows, or Linux. Once we have Docker installed and running, we can go ahead and visit the Open-WebUI GitHub page. We will scroll down and we will get to the installation with default configuration. We will select the first option and copy it because we already have Ollama installed on our computer. We will open the terminal once again and run the command. As you can see, a Docker container started. We can check that by running the following command. And as you can see, everything is up and running on port 3000. We will give this a couple of minutes to get started, and we will access it through the browser. Let's recheck if our container has successfully started by rerunning the docker ps-a command. As we can see, our container instance is healthy. It has changed from starting. Now it is safe to access the HTTP localhost 3000 in order to access the WebUI interface. So let's do that in our Safari browser. We'll open a new window. This will open the WebUI interface. If it's your first time accessing it, you will be prompted to sign up as an administrator in order to create an account. This will only create an account locally, so you can enter whatever email you want here and password. For example, I've used a@a.com. It doesn't have to be a real email, and you can use whatever password you want. Once signed in, we can see that this is a pretty familiar interface for those of us who have used OpenAI's ChatGPT before. We can select the models that we have downloaded through Ollama. We can see here that I have DeepSeek, different versions of DeepSeek like 7B, 14, 32, and 8B. We'll be sticking with the 7B, which is already running on my machine. And let's prompt it a simple JavaScript coding challenge. As we can see, using Open-WebUI instead of the terminal has several advantages. We have code formatting. Open-WebUI allows better presentation and readability of code outputs. We have history tracking. You can revisit previous prompts and response easily. We have better user experience. A graphical user interface simplifies interaction and navigation. And of course, we also have copy and paste support. It makes it easier to work with long responses and formatted text. By leveraging Open-WebUI, users can enjoy a significantly enhanced workflow compared to using the terminal alone.